Okay, in this part we will continue sweep this model. In this part we need to make this. We can select line without AutoGrid. I need to click here and shift and click to draw this line. After that I will go to line, SP line, and select outline. When I select outline, I can duplicate this line. In this part, the line, the space here bigger than this, and the space here bigger than the top one. I will press number 1 from keyboard to change to vertex, or I can select vertex from here. Then I will select chamfer to chamfer these edges and this and this. Here I can select this vertex and go there and fillet this. Now I can make an extrusion. Extrude. Then I can move it like this. I need to fillet the corners, so I will edit poly this and select all edges and press Alt and deselect these edges, then chamfer, and I will uncheck the smooth and increase the segments to make more smooth for the edges. Okay, perfect. Now we need to make this one. This is very easy. We can make box by AutoGrid, box or chamfer box. We can select chamfer box more easily because we need chamfer edges like this. I can here put some fillets, and when I press F4 to see the segments, I can increase the segments in all sides like this. Then I can put taper. When I put taper, I will increase the radius on the top. This one, that the amount is little, and in the top the amount is bigger than the bottom. Then I can put bend to bend this. I need to change direction 90 degree. It's okay for me. I can choose center and move ZX like this, Then I need to scale this and put it here. Okay. Okay, we need to make this model from the front or left. I need to make this model only, then I will made the other parts. I can select line, then I will click to draw this. Now we can extrude this model. We can decrease a little bit, 0.25. We can go to this view. I can hide all of these models. Then I can go to front and right click object properties. I'll decrease this visibility to 0.5 to see the size of that. It's okay. From here to here. Nice one. Then I need to bevel this. So I'll put edit poly and I can select this polygon and made a bevel. This is an extrusion and a little bit amount. Okay, we can make a scale to modify the positioning of this little bit. Maybe we need to rotate it a little bit. Then I can extrude this polygon and put the scale to 0 to continue to the another parts. I can unhide all. Then I can move this to close this part. Perfect. We need to put little bit detail here. I'll select vertex and move this vertex little bit and this one, and I need to make connect from here to select this vertex and move it like this. Okay. we can select this and chamfer it and put a little bit segments here. Okay. Perfect. We need to make some smoothness in the edges and put these details. To put these details, I will check the another way. Okay. We need to put this one. If you want to make this, I will select that and Alt Q to isolate this one. In the front, I can draw line. This line will surround this part like this. I will sweep this line by bar fact. Then we can adjust from the left what we need. I will put this here and I can increase its vertex. It's okay. Then I can copy this here. Okay, now we need to subtract these parts. Maybe I can select this and go to compound objects, propylene, star packing, and pick this and this. For me, this I can go to visibility and make it 1 again. I can put smooth modifier to adjust the polygon smooth in groups. We can put a box here. To put this detail, I can put this reference to local, so I can move this part in the perfect edges. It's okay. Shift and then go to the next side, and I can go to propylene again and start picking, pick and pick. I can put tessellate and increase this tension to decrease this tension to 0, and I can put it for 3. Then we can put mesh smooth modifier to smooth the edges of this. Okay.